In this Panoramata update, we're bringing you the ability to generate insights and marketing recommendations on autopilot. The ability to track any keyword your competitors have been using in their marketing campaign, and a whole new way to use your autopilot. Let's jump right in. The Insights section will allow you to get recommendations and insights on what's happening in your market on autopilot. Every week, new trends and insights will be generated to help you create winning campaigns. If you have a recommendation that you like, you can save it to plan your next campaigns. This insight will take into account your own marketing strategy if you want to, and you can also create custom insights as well. Discount structure, here we go. Wonderful. Bundles, limited time offers, contests, giveaway, and of course, you can iterate. Let's ask it to get these in French. Magnifique. Once you save recommendations, you can plan your next campaigns easily on the platform and generate subject lines or assets with your own tone of voice. You now have the ability with a dynamic list within the settings to track a specific keyword your competitors have been using in all their campaigns. Year, GLP-1, ads or email, and you can also use AI within your list with vision capabilities to ask precise questions. Quick thing, we've allowed you to upload custom images and video in lists and a better way to share lists externally as well. Once you're tracking a keyword, you can add them on your dashboard, so you'll have a dedicated feed tracking a keyword. Here we go for new and clinical. Uploading assets is simple. Just do it. And it will appear in your lists right away. Yeah. All right. Thanks for tuning in. What we're building next is amazing. In the next few weeks on Panoramata, you'll see social media tracking starting with Instagram, creative analysis, and a whole new way to generate images and videos right from the platform. See you soon. Take care.